Hello guys, in this video I will talk about my recent trades on gold and on Bitcoin. I will explain all the logics, everything you need to know. So this is a proof of execution to lot size, big position, close most of the position here. And I will also tell you why. But I still have a runner. And yeah, let's talk about it, because both of these trades were reversals, which I don't really take that much. Reversals, I usually do continuations, but these were very good opportunities, and I will talk about the logic why it was very good. So here's the weekly candle that I draw, and I will explain why I expected Friday to be the week of the weekly candle. So every week, Monday is usually the week, either the top week or the bottom week. And then Friday is also the week, and all the days between is the candle, the body. So in this case, we have a weekly bearish candle. We opened, then we had the week. We formed the high of the week, and then we had this crash from the Trump tariffs. Then on Friday, London, I expected Bitcoin to trade above the low. I expected this place to be the low of the week. And yeah, I expected the weekly candle to close above this place, and then I had this zone which I marked, and I closed the trade pretty much today. I mean, I didn't close fully, but I closed some profits. And now I will explain more so you can understand what I mean by this thing that I drew. So on the daily chart, we had this level which looked pretty promising. As for a sweep, we had this thing that people call imbalance or value gap or whatever. I don't really trade this type of stuff. But then on a weekly, we are in a weekly engulfing, which is this. And then we have a daily engulfing. So this is a very powerful zone. And then I had this as basic SNR. So this is the logic behind my technical analysis. And then I will show you how it looked on the weekly. This was the top wick. Open, high, the body, low on Friday, formed on Friday. And I expected Bitcoin to have some sort of reaction of this sweep and engulfing, and then close above the sweep. And that's exactly what happened. You even had multiple opportunities to enter it even after the sweep, the first initial sweep. If you go to the lower time frames, we had an engulfing on M30, and I entered off this exact place. Then we had more opportunities of entering, like here. We came back to the discount. Even here, we came to my level and to the discount, and we had this engulfing. So lots of opportunities to enter. And also, I measured this whole move, and we also tapped into my level. And if we measured the other pivot here, it was also my level. One of my levels, which I would talk about in the future probably. It's nothing like secret about it or something, but it's not like the main thing that I use. It's only like a bonus, because all the levels, the fibs, everything is just telling you how much of a discount we have. It's not like magical levels or something. So this was a basic trade. The only technical analysis behind this is this daily sweep or weekly sweep, then the weekly refined engulfing, which wasn't refined to the daily. And also, as I already said, I expected this whole move to have a decent correction, and in this case we came back to these levels, to the discount. I wanted to close most of my profits at the discount, but I saw that it was just pumping. We didn't reach the discount here. We reacted from this level, and then I knew I can still hold it. I had it in break even, so I didn't really care. But yeah, pretty good trade, good execution, and yeah, I'm proud of this trade. Made a lot of money. And this is the most important about this whole situation. Now I go to gold. Exact same thing. Friday, we broke this SNR level, which in the past we had a reaction of. So I knew it's a good indication of gold going down, further down. I didn't trade it on my personal, I traded it on my prop firm account, and then we came back into my levels again. Just rejected of it, and here was the daily SNR also, which is also like a volume imbalance. Okay, let me close my Telegram. So nothing fancy again. Here we had a daily sweep, and I knew that it's like a highly liquid level, and I wouldn't really want to hold under it. I just closed at my fib zone, and on lower time frame what I had here, engulfing failed, and I just entered off this candle. Nothing fancy, not all my trades are fancy, but this is the reality of trading. I don't always top and bottom tick. I don't think it's realistic to do that long term. I usually swing, but in this case it was Friday and I wanted to trade a bit. I saw these opportunities, so I scalped it. And yeah, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I will make more bootcamp videos pretty soon, and you will soon realize how easy trading really is if you use the stuff that works and not overthink everything, because it's the worst thing if you have analysis paralysis. I had it for years. That's why I decided teaching again, because I was feeling kind of depressed because of it, and I already have some people that I've helped with this problem, and I want to pursue teaching and helping people. So yeah,